Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be making this Cajun lasagna with shrimp. As you can see, I'm getting my shrimp cooked. I'm doing about a minute on each side. The seasonings and proper instructions are going to be listed down below for what I do, but I wanted to show you guys a quick video of everything. I've got the noodles going, and I'm going to start on my cheese sauce that I'm going to be using to line the noodles with. I'm going to put the sauce onto the lasagna after letting that dry for a minute, and then I'm going to put the shrimp inside and just roll that up. It looks so juicy. I do about 4 to 6 shrimp for each roll. It really just depends on how much you want in there. That's what that looks like. I already know it's going to be amazing. I've got the oven preheating at 350 degrees. Then I'm adding some more of that cheese on top. That's what that looks like. And then in the meantime, I'm going to make some salmon. I'm just searing some salmon, nothing special. And then I'm going to be making some sauce with whipping cream that I cook in the oil from the shrimp. And then I'm going to season that and just put that on top of my salmon. And that's what that looks like. It's good, but it's not amazing. I feel like it's missing something. I probably need to work on the recipe. But I also think it might just be because the noodles are too thick for like a creamy cheese sauce, if that makes sense. So I don't know if that's why it doesn't pair well together, but it's really good. So 8 out of 10. Thanks for watching. Try this recipe and let me know what you think.